Testing, testing. Oh, yeah. Testing, testing. One, two, three. We are live here on the channel for day two of streaming, guys. This is day two of going live today. I was honestly kind of hesitant of going live today just because it was only a 2 out of 5. But I decided, hey, Grandma, I decided I will be streaming today. Because we actually have in the 2 out of 5, we have a 2% chance of tornadoes. We also have a 15% chance, significant chance of hail, and a wind threat. So today should be a little stronger than yesterday. I actually have a new website, guys. I actually made my own website. So now you'll be seeing if I am going live beforehand. So before I get in this severe weather coverage, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys the newest website right now, if you guys don't mind. Alright, guys, this is the newest website we have. So basically, every day I'm going to be updating this website. It's basically just text, guys. I'm going to manually update this. So you see, so earlier it was a live chance 50%. Now it's 100 because obviously I'm live right now. You see, live, it's going to be, there's a few sections. It's going to be live stream odds. So, like, what are the odds of me going live? Right now, it's 100. The status is going live. And, like, guys, so this way I can, like, post it on this website. So it'll be like, sometimes it'll be, like, status. If it's, like, if I only have, like, a 50-50 shot, it'll be status.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Actually, the bot's back. We got the bot working. I'm just trying to get a little more professional, guys, with like the live stream layouts. So we got status going live soon, which now it should be live because I'm live. But I'm probably gonna like it could be like most time, like if it's a 50% chance going live, I'm gonna put standby mode, standby like I'm standing by to see if I'm going live. I also got a window peak threat window. So today's peak threat is from 7 p.m. Eastern to 11 p.m. is the main. Oh, this is gonna be great. Yeah, this is my new website. Actually, I put the peak threat window 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. And the most exciting part, guys, we also have a 7-day live stream outlook. So tomorrow's only a 1 out of 5, so I put a 30% chance of a stream tomorrow. I mean, it is possible that I stream tomorrow. There's a chance I go live tomorrow, but it's not very likely that I'm streaming tomorrow. Tuesday, 6 p.m. Yeah, there's likely going to be a stream on Tuesday. Then it's Wednesday, unlikely. See, so this is like the new website. And then so then if I think I'm going live earlier, like at 11 a.m., I see, oh, a 3 out of 5. I was going to put live stream on the Hartford and then going live, then I can put the time. So that is what I want to show you on the new website. Actually, right now going into the severe weather coverage, we do have a few severe thunderstorm warnings on the board right now. So let's take a look at these storms. That was just a new website. All right.
Attention, a new
Getting,
special weather statement has been issued.
getting into this, as you can see, hold on. We might be seeing a little rotation near Lesterville. See a little supercell already developed, which has some decent hail. Biggest threat right now is hail. 1 inch size hail on these storms, guys. 1 inch size hail on these storms already. Actually, there's a few storms. So that, guys, this event's likely going to be more severe than last night.
Attention, this flash flood warning has been updated.
This event's going to be more probably significant. Wow. Look near Fuda. Almost
Attention, a new special weather
one
statement
inch
has been
size
issued.
hail. Guys, this storm is also strengthening too. As you can see, look at this hail core on this storm. Very strong hail on these storms. That is the biggest risk today. A 1 hatch risk. Significant chance of hail today. That's the main reason I decided to issue a stream today because of that hail. That big hail risk possible. As you can see, near St. Peter, near Cleveland, and near Cortland, we actually do have got a lot of hail, guys. Yep, 1 inch size hail too, so a lot of hail on the radar right now. Near Cosmos, I am watching a storm that could potentially get severe thunderstorm warned. Also near Fairfax could potentially get severe thunderstorm warned. Looking at this storm, if you guys want to like and subscribe, like the stream, we really appreciate it. We're taking a look at this storm, as you can see. The main risk area today, that slight risk. This watch expires at 12 a.m. Eastern. So severe thunderstorm watch
Attention,
expires
a
at
new
12
special
a.m.
weather statement
Eastern.
has been issued.
Storm does watches expire at 12 a.m. Primary threats see scattered large hail and very large hail possible. So gonna be a pretty interesting evening. Actually, more overnight threat now. Majority an overnight threat now. Look at that hail though, guys. 15% 2 out of 5 risk for hail. Let's take a look at the severe thunderstorm warning. New tornado warning, listen in.
Tornado warning for North Central Elbert County in northeastern Georgia, southeastern Hart County in
Ah,
northeastern Georgia, southwestern Anderson County in
Georgia.
upstate South Carolina.
There's not even a 2% chance of tornadoes here. Dude, guys, this is like last night when there was a tornado warning in Tennessee, not even in the main risk area.
Attention, a new radar indicated tornado warning has been issued.
Let's take a look. Oh yeah, I am seeing rotation here. So if you live near Alberton town, take shelter immediately. Guys, you can see we do have, see your greens moving towards, your reds moving away. Right here's your tornadic
Attention, a new
rotation.
special weather statement has been issued.
Oh shoot, I'm not even looking at the right storm. This is the area that got tornado warns. I would not be surprised if they issue another tornado warning to the south right now because I am seeing a real rotation couplet really starting to develop right now. So I wouldn't be surprised if they issued 2 tornado warnings here, as you can see right now near Carton, Carlington. You got a little bit of an area rotation. Your greens moving towards your reds moving away. Right there's your tornadic rotation. I think they're going to issue another tornado warning here. Actually, guys, this isn't even in the 2% tornado risk. So, wow, that's some large hail. Look at the large hail near Florida, as you can see. Yep, 1 inch size hail. I wouldn't be surprised if it's honestly a little more than that 1 inch size hail. So I am watching out for these storms. Like I said again, today isn't the biggest risk, but it's a high enough risk for me to go live tonight. So it is a high enough risk for me to stream today. As you could see right now, hail core right now, about 1 inch size hail right now. These storms are moving relatively slow, guys. These storms are not moving very quick. But just measured near Letta, you got 1.25 inch size hail. So that is a good amount of hail right now. Falling right now. So as you can see, oh, that is interesting. Look at this supercell trying to form a little bit of a hook right now near Lesterville. I would not be, and this storm does have a good amount of hail, over 1 inch size hail right now. So I would not be surprised if they actually do issue maybe a considerable. Oh, it is a considerable. So they did issue, National Weather Service has issued a considerable severe thunderstorm warning near Lesterville. So, like I said, I would not be surprised if they end up issuing, like if they did issue a tornado warning in the future, just because the way the storm looks. Right now, no rotation, so we don't need to worry about that at all. The storm isn't really tornadic right now, but does have, I'm going to bring you the one to golf ball size hail. So golf ball size hail on this storm right now near Lesterville. I'm going to take a 3D of this storm. As you can see, I am watching out for these storms because there is a 2% tornado threat, so there is a chance. Because look, guys, we literally have a tornado. We literally have a tornado warning right now in an area which doesn't even have a 2% chance of tornadoes. Guys, this risk is until 12 a.m. too. So this watch doesn't expire till 12 a.m. Like last night, we streamed till the event was practically over. We streamed an hour and 10 minutes last night. For new
New
people
information,
tuning in,
this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
for new people tuning in, we do got a new website where I'm gonna be posting, like if I'm going live, like the odds of me going live and stuff. It's got a 7-day outlook too. As you can see, the hail core is pretty strong right
New
now near
information, this
Cluda.
severe thunderstorm
I
warning has
am
been updated.
concerned right now for the storm right now due to 1-inch size hail on this storm, guys. So we do gotta watch out, honestly, for these storms. Because these storms could be, majority of these storms could actually be severe, which is concerning, guys. Which is concerning right now.
Attention,
That's
a
it,
new
Ed.
severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
New severe thunderstorm warning, guys.
Attention, a new flash flood warning has been issued.
So we are getting a lot of alerts right now. But I just send an announcement in Discord real quick. As you can see, no rotation on the storm though, so that is the good news. But this storm is producing. I'm gonna double check like the exact size hail. The storm is producing hail damage to vehicles as possible. $50 size hail, so pretty strong hail right now. As you see in the main risky area, let's see how many warnings we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 severe thunderstorm warnings in the risk area tonight. A lot of storms in the risky area aren't actually severe, but taking a look at the Cape right now, I mean, some areas are 2,000 joules of Cape right now in the risk area. So you guys are wondering what Cape is. Cape also means when warm air rises, cold air sinks with the convection. It could also, Cape is basically when the heating of the sun goes down. So Cape could potentially, Cape means like for thunderstorms, you really need about 500 to 1,000 capes to really sustain a thunderstorm. But a good amount of these storms are in a little bit of lack of cape. There's a little bit of lack of cape in some of the areas, unfortunately. But actually, no, not unfortunately. Whoa, I'm my bad on that. The majority is actually. Let's see the dew point. Ooh, that's good news, guys. Dew points are lacking a little. 58, a little bit of some lacking dew points. So that's why these storms aren't really going that crazy right now. Well, we still gotta watch it. There are some storms with large hail right now that we do gotta watch out for. I wouldn't be surprised if some of these storms get severe thunderstorm warning. Whatever, I think it's Chris Jelly. What I'm supposed to do with my mom's phone. Oh, you moved, Ray Mabes? You moved? Because I remember Ray Mabes, you were in Wisconsin. Did you move from Wisconsin? Sorry about your mom, but did you move from Wisconsin? As you can see, I'm gonna put a storm track on the storm near
Attention, a new
Lesterville.
special weather statement has been issued.
So yeah, the storm is moving not very fast. The storm is moving east at 20 miles an hour. So guys, a lot of these storms aren't moving that quick for today's event, honestly. Oh yeah, I wish I'll say it's still in Wisconsin. Oh, you're getting a new house though? Near Lesterville, I am concerned.
Attention, a
Yeah,
new
I'm getting a
special
lot of
weather statement
alerts.
has been issued.
Unfortunately, they should add an update on GR or not GR and GR2 analyst where you can see special weather statements, because that would be cool if you could see special weather statements. But as you can see, near Lesterville, hail core weakened
Attention, a new
slightly, so
special
that's
weather
good
statement
news.
has been issued.
The hail core weakened slightly. So that's the good news. No rotation on any of these storms. There is a 2% tornado threat, guys. So we are under a threat of isolated tornadoes, which is possible. So I'm just taking a look at some of these storms to the radar side if these storms can start to get going, but
New
honestly,
information, this
not
severe
really.
thunderstorm warning has been updated.
So as you can see, thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. But as you see near Funda, we do have about 1 inch size hail right now. So guys, I would take shelter, not underground, but like get in your house because you don't want to get hit by 1 inch size hail. You don't want to get hit by 1 inch size. Has a 60 miles an hour wind gust and $50 size hail source radar indicated hail damage to vehicles. Guys, keyword expected. Wind damage to roofs and trees, and location impacts include Brush Tap. Oh yeah, you guys near Brush Star could potentially start to get some hail. So guys, I'm getting my drawing tool so I could draw just in case. So as you can see, the storm is pretty strong on radar right now. It isn't a considerable threat, so that is the good news. This is a normal severe thunderstorm warning, but it does have some pretty large hail.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Actually, new updated severe thunderstorm warning right now. You know what, guys? I'm gonna check up on that. I'm gonna check up on that tornado warning right now. Check up on this tornado warning right now. Not in the main risk area. Oh yeah, I am concerned for this tornado. Yeah, I do see rotation. So take shelter immediately. Live in Rocksterville. This is on the Georgia South Carolina border right now. If you guys want to like the stream, it'll be really appreciated right now. But as you can see, I am in fact concerned for this storm because it does have some rotation on it. See your greens moving towards your reds and your browns moving away. Right here's your tornadic rotation. And I don't see this storm producing a tornado, so that is the good news, but still take shelter immediately right now. Because with these tornado warned storms, these storms could easily start to rapidly strengthen. So that is always a concern. But I'm gonna be taking a look at the Cape in the area. Like how much cape was in this area? All right, 1,000 joules. So it is enough to sustain a thunderstorm right now. So that is why there is a tornado warning. So let's also take a look at the Dallas area. And there's also a severe thunderstorm warning right now. Your Dallas.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Guys, if you guys are wondering, I actually wasn't planned. I actually am
Attention, a new
again.
special weather statement has been issued.
I actually wasn't planned to go live tonight. But what made me go live tonight was when they issued that 2 out of 5 slight risk of severe weather. So who knows if tomorrow gets upgraded to a slight risk. I have more of a chance to stream tomorrow if it does get upgraded to a slight risk. I see no rotation in the main risk here, but all good news. Hail core seems like it weakened a little. See, look, guys, look. This was earlier scan on the hail core. It was way stronger, and now it's getting weaker. So that is good news. Still wonder if they're probably gonna issue an extension though to the severe thunderstorm warning. I wouldn't be surprised if they do that though. This is heading for near Brewster. I think that's how I'm pronouncing it. My bad if I'm butchering these names. But I think it's heading in that general area, guys. So near Reading, near Lismore, and near Bridge Low, we do gotta watch out for the storm right now. Near Duncan, I think that's how you
Attention,
pronounce
a
it.
new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Alright, we have a new severe thunderstorm warning right now.
Attention, this flash flood warning has been
This is
updated.
for, so I believe it might be an extension. I'm just waiting for it to pop up. Oh, alright, new severe thunderstorm warning right now for Fandura and Pipstone. Dude, I have so much trouble pronouncing these names in the central US. But as you could see, I am watching out. No rotation, but this is likely for hail. There's about 1 inch size hail and an outflow boundary starting to form right now. So storms are starting to strengthen and new storms are expected to pop up as well. So this event is going to be another interesting event. So far, this event seems actually stronger than last night's event because we do have the hatch risk for hail. Yesterday was more a wind threat. No hatch risk though. There's one area of 2 inch size. Yeah, but I'm waiting for the warning to confirm it. Right now, it's a normal severe thunderstorm warning with quarter
Attention, a
size
new
hail
special
right
weather
now.
statement has been issued.
So do we have quarter size hail on this storm, guys? Quarter size hail. So I am watching out. I mean, some of these storms are weakening. For example, the storm near Readings is starting a weaken. So the hail core is weakening. There's still probably some damaging winds on the storm. Sounds like a big blob, honestly. It is a big blob of storms right now. Big blob right now. I don't think I'm not sure if there's really a threat for a lot of, thank you for the extra like. I'm not sure if there's really a
Attention,
threat.
a new special weather statement has been issued.
I'm not sure if there's really a threat for these storms to really become a line. I don't think so. Maybe at the end of the event, but this severe thunderstorm watch is in effect till 12 a.m. Eastern, 11 p.m. Central. So you gotta watch it for that. I think there is still a tornado warning in effect. Let's take a look, get back on that tornado warning storm in Georgia.
Attention, this flash flood warning has
Alright,
been updated.
rotation starting a weekend right now, so that's good news. Rotation is weakened. Probably gonna cancel that tornado warning soon, in my opinion. Ooh, storm weakened a little near Lesterville. So these storms are actually kind of weakening a little. Some of these storms are on a weakening trend. Look at this storm, Shannon. Look at this pop-up storm that decided to form near Bridgewater. So I wouldn't be surprised if some of these storms could potentially get more severe thunderstorm warnings. If you guys have any questions in chat too, we also do have. Let's see where the storm's hanging. I'm probably gonna issue an extension of this storm. This storm is hanging near Mission Hill and Wakanda. The storm is heading for those cities, so be prepared for them to issue likely an extension to the severe thunderstorm warning. I don't think they're going to cancel it. If I were the National Weather Service, I think I would maybe put an extension on the severe thunderstorm warning right now. Ooh, let's take a look at these storms near the radar side right now near Hartford. You gotta watch out for these storms as well. These storms could potentially get near Harrisburg, get severe thunderstorm warning if they mature too. Ooh, near Centerville, we also do have another blob of storms that is forming now. A lot of these storms, a lot of these storms could actually get a severe thunderstorm warning if they do mature. If these storms do mature, we could also do get a severe thunderstorm warning for a good amount of these. Just waiting on this. As you can see, yeah, this is probably the strongest storm right now. Almost 2-inch
Attention, a
size
new
hail.
severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
The severe thunderstorm warning. It should pop up pretty soon. I think if I were them, I think it's probably an extension of this storm. New severe thunderstorm warning. I mean, it could be for near Brentford too, near south of Milltown. Oh, is that in Florida? Oh, that's in Florida. New severe thunderstorm warning in Florida. A lot of these storms aren't even in the risk area, guys. A lot of these severe thunderstorm warnings that are getting warned aren't even in the main risk area. But I am watching out. I'm the most concerned for this storm near Iga for the strongest hail right now. The storm is kind of starting to weaken right now. Brewstar. So the storms are kind of starting to weaken a little bit on a weakening trend. At the same time, not really though. I see a lot of these storms are still, most of these storms are actually have severe limits. So I am watching out for a lot of these storms. Ooh, near Holland, I'm watching out too. I am watching out for the storms near Parker, near Bridgewater, near Freeman.
New
New
information, this
warning.
severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
So a severe thunderstorm warning has in fact been updated right now. Severe thunderstorm warning has been updated right now. I am watching. We still do actually have that tornado warning in effect. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the chat. If you guys want me to tell you the weather for your area. got a notification that they updated something, so I wonder what that is. Usually when they do that, they updated a watch or something. Ooh, near Hartford, I am watching out for this storm starting to strengthen right now. Noticing a hail core might be starting. Ooh, a new. So they did update that tornado warning. Let's go to it, guys. They just updated the tornado warning. Made it a little smaller. Let's take a look. Yeah, I don't really see much rotation. They're probably going to cancel this, but we did actually have a brief tornado warning right now in Georgia. As you can see right now near Sauk Falls, I am watching out. Near Del Rapids, I am watching out. Near Del Rapids, a pop-up storm just started a pop-up. So if this storm gets together, it could get severe thunderstorm warned in the future. A lot of these storms could get severe thunderstorm warned in the future. Oh, this storm's moving very slow. This storm's moving at 20
Attention, this
miles an
flash
hour.
flood
That's
warning
not.
has been updated.
That's slow for a severe thunderstorm. How far is it? How fast? This storm's moving 17 miles an hour. So a lot of these storms are moving very slow, guys. So that is why some of these storms could potentially, honestly, be weakening. Let's see. Yeah, look, even this storm's moving the slowest at 15 miles an hour. So all these storms are moving very slow, guys, in this event. As you can see near Pepper Store, Stone, I think that's how you pronounce it. I am watching out. We got 1 inch size hail right now. I am watching out right now. This is probably the strongest storm right now, and the storm with probably the storm that looks like the biggest hail core, or starting to form a hail core on radar. I am definitely the most concerned for this storm right now. Heading near Homeland. Heading for this general area, guys. Near Brookings, near Madison. Ooh, the storm near Hartford. I am also watching out for the storm as well. So maybe we get a severe thunderstorm warning in the future. Also, this storm near Centerville. I wouldn't be surprised if this storm could also get a severe thunderstorm warning soon. Severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to aspire near Brewster. Cause like I said again, guys, I said this storm was weakening near Reading, and it did in fact weaken and is no longer a severe thunderstorm warning. So we only have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings right now in the main risk area. So that is always the good news. The storm is a 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale, so that's why I don't really have high expectations for a 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. I decided to stream like today, guys. Like I said again, today wasn't a guaranteed live
Attention, a
stream
new
day.
special weather statement has been issued.
Like today wasn't a guaranteed live stream day today. It was actually possible. This storm is heading near Mission Hills, so I think this storm could potentially get an extension, honestly, to the severe thunderstorm warning. I think this storm could potentially get an extension. Also, the storms near Freeman are starting to strengthen a little, heading towards Parker, maybe eventually. I know the strongest storm right now is I cannot even press. So I'm just gonna press south of Ward right now is the strongest severe. It's the strongest severe thunderstorm warning right now. Right now. Actually, near Parker, we also do have storm showing up for him too. Tornado warning has expired, by the way. I said they were most likely going to get rid of that. We haven't checked up on this storm in Minnesota right now. This storm is probably going to get an extension because I do see a decent amount of hail right now on that storm. We haven't taken a look. See, kind of a medium, slight risk of severe weather today. As you can see, the main risk is hail right now. A lot of these storms are actually warnings are actually starting to expire. So I feel like some of these storms are actually on a weakening trend already. I mean, Cape is starting to be a little less too in some of these areas as they move more away. So far, no tornado warnings in the main risk area, but it is only a 2% chance of tornadoes, guys. It is only a 2% chance of tornadoes, and this watch is until 12 a.m. Eastern. This watch is until 12 a.m. Eastern. So they just issued a new day one SPC outlook. So it's about the same, I believe, new day one SPC outlook. As you can see right now, I just wait till the new day one outlook appears on the GRR. But in the meantime, let's take a look at these storms. See, echo tops on these storms are actually 44,000 feet. So the echo tops on these storms are actually pretty high, guys. Guys, I'm going to be starting to do hurricane coverage eventually, too. We're doing a lot of hurricane coverage on this channel. Once hurricane season is here, too. We'll be live streaming that as well. Ooh, this storm's starting to strengthen a little, starting to have some hail on it. I hope that this storm gets severe thunderstorm warning now south of Freeman right now. That would not surprise me if this storm starts to get severe thunderstorm warning too. Oh yeah, 1 inch size hail was just reported right now. So about 10 minutes ago, there was 1 inch size hail reported. The storm didn't move that much in 10 minutes, honestly. So yeah, so these storms are moving, like I said again, very slow. And there's a new severe thunderstorm warning right now, an extension. So for Mason Hill is now under the
Attention, a
severe
new severe
thunderstorm warning.
thunderstorm warning has been issued.
And now we actually only have about 3 severe thunderstorm warnings in the main risk area. Storm he also expired, and here has expired for the severe thunderstorm warning. So near Sauk Falls, oh yeah, these storms are weakening over here. These storms were way stronger earlier. Still watching out for the storm near Ward right now, south of Ward right now. Which one was that? This expires at 9:30. When does this warning expire? Yeah. It'll take almost to 9:45 for these storms to move out of this warning box. So these storms are very slow, guys. Moving very slow. So good. Near Centerville, I am watching out for also one in Scisale, so I would not be surprised if they issue a severe thunderstorm warning for one of these. I would not be surprised at all. They might have just updated the watch. I'm not 100% sure. They might have did. Just waiting for it to pop up on the stream though. Let's take a look at the new updated storm track right now. Yeah, this storm
Attention, a
is
new special
moving
weather
very
statement has
slow.
been issued.
Oh, they just updated the severe thunderstorm watch. They canceled out some counties
Attention,
in the
a new
severe
flash flood
thunderstorm
warning has been
watch.
issued.
Just saying, guys, they canceled out some counties in the severe thunderstorm watch right now. So that is always a good sign. This watch does expire at 12 a.m. still. So we do have a long threat of storms. Yeah, the new day one outlook. So look, guys, we actually no longer have a 2% tornado risk right now in the main risk area. So the tornado threat is done. So we don't have a tornado threat anymore in the main risk area. We have a little 2% tornado risk down here in parts of Georgia and parts of South Carolina. And guys, that SIG hail risk is way less too. So this risk overall got a little downgraded compared to the last update. This risk honestly got a little downgraded. So we might not be streaming as much longer since the risk kind of got downgraded. Now only the SIG hail is in this little area, probably just for this one storm. Still a decent risk of hail though. Actually, this
Attention,
storm
a
might
new
be
tornadic
weakening.
severe thunderstorm warning has been
Ooh,
issued.
where? Hold on. Oh, I think they just issued a tornado possible. I gotta double check. Did they really? I wonder if it's on this storm, because I mean, hell is starting to really fire off on these storms.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
I wonder where is that tornado possible on it. Because we just had, let's see, let's go on GR what? Alright, so it's not this one. Oh, so tornado possible down here. You have a tornado possible tag in Georgia right now. Let's take a closer look.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
As you can see right now, let's take a look at this tornado possible. Yeah, I do see a little bit of rotation near Ruckersville, so that's why they did issue that tornado possible tag on this storm. Mostly severe thunderstorm warnings are actually in South Dakota, guys, if you're wondering. Oh yeah, that's that. Yeah, about 1 inch size hail still remains on this storm south of Ward right now. Like I said earlier, I said this storm was probably going to get a severe thunderstorm warning due to hail. Now there's a severe thunderstorm warning on the storm near Minnow. As you can see, all these storms are moving very slow. This storm is moving at 21 miles an hour. That is very slow. 21 miles an hour, guys. This is very slow for a severe weather event. Well, that hail core, almost 2 inch size hail now on the storm near Gayville. Guys, the storm near Gayville starting to get its act together right now. Yeah, that's crazy. That's a town. Near Mission Hills right now. You guys are probably going to get hit potentially by this. Oh, yeah, this storm is really forming a hail core now. The storm is really forming a hail core now. Oh, yeah. Literally about to get about 2 inch size hail. Probably going to update this storm. Hail threat is observed. So moving east at 20 miles an hour. Severe thunderstorm was located.
New information,
Quarter
this severe
size hail.
thunderstorm warning has been updated.
So we do have an updated severe thunderstorm warning waiting for it to pop up on my overlay. But it is likely this storm probably updated. Wouldn't be surprised if this got upgraded to considerable. Where is this updated? It's down there. I'm not 100% sure where they updated this severe thunderstorm warning. But a few of these storms are on an uptrend now. I'm going to take a 3D of this storm. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, this storm goes all the way up to 20 kilometers up in the sky. So, that is interesting. As you can see right now, I am watching out for these storms. Yeah, it's about the same. Almost 2 inch size hail on these storms, guys. But up here, 1 inch size hail. So, oh, guys, a lot of these storms that are severe thunderstorm warned at least have 1 inch size hail on these storms, which is a lot, guys. That's a lot. Yeah, all these storms have 1 inch size hail that are severe thunderstorm warned. That is concerning, guys. Oh, I wouldn't be surprised if this storm gets severe thunderstorm warned near Bayford. I would not be surprised if this storm also gets severe thunderstorm warned. I would not be surprised, guys, because a lot of these storms are strengthening with the hail on it. Good news, this storm is weakening south of Ward right now. I am noticing this storm is weakening, so that is the good
Attention,
news.
this flash flood warning has been updated.
So I wouldn't be surprised, possibly, if eventually they cancel this severe thunderstorm warning south of Ward because it is starting to kind of deteriorate a little. It's not looking as strong as it used to.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
New special weather to me. Oh, yeah, this is the strongest storm right now. Ah, near, yep, over almost 2 inch size hail on this storm. Heading heading towards Gayville and Mission Hill.
Attention, this flash flood warning has been updated.
It's near a lot of these storms, honestly, near Parker, weakening. Oh yeah, the storm north, the strong storm. This storm, 2 out of the 3 severe thunderstorm warnings I'm noticing are weakening. 2 out of the 3, guys. So that is a good amount. Take a look at the Cape. Cape is about the same, not really weakening that much. Cape's probably going to weaken soon, though, as that daytime heating goes away. There's no longer a 2% chance of tornadoes. Just in the South Carolina area. There's only one real concerned storm. There's only one storm I'm really concerned about in this whole risk area so far. Because 2 of these storms are really weakening now. Still do have 3 severe thunderstorm warnings on the board, though. Still got 3 severe thunderstorm warnings on the board. Yeah, not much going on down here, too.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Oh, yeah. How much hail did the storm have, guys? Yeah, no more 1 inch size hail on this storm. They could potentially cancel these 2 severe thunderstorms. I think they're going to do another extension, though, towards this severe thunderstorm warning, though, honestly. And for Voyne, and I don't know if that says
Attention,
Mission
a
Hill.
new
I think
special
it says
weather
Mission
statement has been
Hill.
issued.
I think it says Mission Hill. Not 100% sure. The majority of these storms are weakening. Let's see how high these storms go. So this severe thunderstorm warning goes 45,000 feet in the air. This one goes 40,000 feet. The higher this one only goes 37,000 feet. So guys, the higher it is in the air, usually means is also you could tell how strong the storm is too.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Yeah, not much really going on as much as it was earlier, honestly. Probably going to end the stream soon if you want me to be honest. Most likely. I'm gonna go a little longer though. Probably go till most of these storms, most of these severe thunderstorm warnings expire. I am mainly concerned for this storm though, because I have a lot of hail on it. This is really the only storm I'm really concerned about, honestly. The rest of the storms are weakenings. That is a good news, guys. It's very good news when storms are on a weakening trend. It's like
Attention, a new
contamination
flash
right
flood
here.
warning has been issued.
Well, I wouldn't be surprised if some of these storms could potentially get flash flood warnings as well. That would also not surprise me. Where are these flash flood warnings? So, majority of these flash flood warnings are getting issued in West Virginia right now, so that's interesting. Good amount of storms still in the risk area. We do got 3 severe thunderstorm warnings in the main risk area. I'm gonna highlight the risk area. You know what, guys? I'm gonna show you the website again. This is the website, guys. So I'm kind of gonna give you kind of a tour of the website. Not really a tour. I'm just gonna show you like what it's about. See, live stream odds of this website first. It gives you the live stream odds, which is very important. Which is basically the odds of me going live on that day. This is gonna update daily. Also shows the status of it. Status like going live. Like I'm gonna be going live, and then I'm gonna normally put the time there. Going live. I'm normally gonna put the time frame here, or it could be like on standby, something like that.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
I'm also gonna have the peak threat window, so like the peak of the severe weather threat.
Attention, this flash flood warning has been updated. Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
So basically, this is the new website. I'm gonna have my status. I also have a
New
yeah.
information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
I'm also going to have I also have a 7-day live stream outlook. So for the next week, basically, it's gonna show like what are the odds of live stream. You guys see tomorrow. Tomorrow I have a 30% chance, a 30% chance of live streaming. It may go down, it may go up. I'm likely gonna, so my next stream is honestly most likely gonna be Tuesday, a 60% chance. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm likely, for now, I'm not gonna stream unless the issue is severe weather risk. That is the new website, guys. Give me 1 second. Fixing the website real quick. You guys want a little bit behind the scenes?
Attention, a new flash flood warning has been
Me
issued.
making it. These guys are pretty simple. It's just text, honestly. That's basically all
New
it is.
information, this
Just
severe
text.
thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Before we take a look at this, let's see the severe thunderstorm warnings. Well, not that much going on, honestly. Actually, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I update my website too. What's the live stream odds? Should be what a 48. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the live stream odds. Okay, so like the numbers, let's see. You guys, this is my website, but you guys could have input on it too. Like, what do you think the font should be? Stuff. It says I should make it 80. All right, guys, let's see. Just fixing this, if you guys don't mind. Let's see. So we got that fixed. Status. The text I think is good to leave. Guys, have any questions, you could also let me know in the chat. 24. Yeah, I'm showing them the website now.
Attention, a new flash flood warning has been issued.
All right. All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Now I'm basically going over new website ideas and stuff. Going back to severe weather coverage a little later, though. But as you can see, I think we should make it 28, 24. Should have 28 or 40. Just fixing the website. And then 18 to 26. Let's make this 26. We don't need to make it that crazy. Let's add that. 28. It's like the least important, the most important. Because these two guys, these two are the most important. The status when I'm going live. The peak threat windows also important, and these are also important too. Let's see, 7-day outlook. Example, Monday unlikely, or whatever. 18 to 22.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been
I'm
issued.
gonna increase this. So actually, no. Let's increase that at 25. 7-day live stream outlook. And all of this, AI, it says it should be 22. 22. Now, because guys, I feel like if it's like this is way too big.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Guys might like it bigger though. What do you think? Like 25 is perfect. Or do you guys think 22 is good? Do 22. I think that is good, guys. New website. New website updates is
Attention,
out.
a new special weather
Change
statement
the
has been
font a
issued.
little. Eventually, I can add some new stuff eventually too.
Attention, a new flash flood warning has been issued. Yeah, so I would have to reorganize it, so that would suck. I think it looks good, guys. What do you guys think? Think it looks good, the new website additions? Now let's test it. Yeah, I like the new website. Looks good. New additions. Let's get back to weather coverage. Alright, so severe thunderstorm watch. Severe thunderstorm, not watch. Severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to expire, guys. Severe thunderstorm warning up here has expired. It's been a little bit since I checked up on these storms, so no rotation on these storms, guys. But as you can see, a lot of these storms, all of these storms, I think, are actually starting to weaken, though, guys. But the strongest storms probably near Gayville, is probably the strongest storms near Gayville. It says contact your law enforcement if you want to report any severe weather. The storm is probably going to honestly expire soon. Hailstorm is up near Freeman. I wouldn't be surprised if they issue a severe thunderstorm warning here, honestly. I would not be Attention, a
surprised.
new special weather statement has been issued.
I would not be surprised, guys. If they did decide to issue another severe thunderstorm warning near Freeman, I would not be surprised. Chat, I don't think we need this drawing tool anymore.
As you see, even the Cape is starting to weaken less, so there's even a little bit of less Cape in the atmosphere too. That's gonna limit the severe weather. Did they upgrade that to considerable? No, they didn't. They just updated the warning though.
New information,
Yeah,
this
there
severe
it is.
thunderstorm warning has been updated.
There it is. They just updated the severe thunderstorm watch. Not watch the warning. It's just updated the severe thunderstorm warning. As you can see, I am noticing the storm's weakening. Now it's 1 inch size hail. So storm here almost had 2 inches. This storm doesn't even have 1 inch size hail near
Attention, a new
Gayville.
special weather
They're
statement
probably
has
gonna
been issued.
cancel that warning soon. I could see them canceling that warning soon. Right now, there's only 2 severe thunderstorm warnings actually in the main risk area. So no rotation on these storms. So that's the good news. I'm gonna take a look at tomorrow's SPC outlook. What is the National Weather Service showing for tomorrow? No tornado. That's a little bit of a wind. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna change it to only a 20% chance of live streaming tomorrow. Because the only way I'm gonna stream tomorrow is if there's maybe a slight risk. And even if there's a slight risk, I might not stream. See how it goes. We'll see how it goes, guys. Actually, the storm's gonna go north of Gayville, so you guys in Gayville aren't gonna get impacted by the storm. Still 1 inch size hail, so they might extend this severe thunderstorm warning. They might. There's a chance. But guys, I'm gonna shoot 5 more minutes. Just seeing what happens with these storms. So guys, I'm gonna talk about the upcoming live stream schedule. So tomorrow I'm probably not gonna stream tomorrow realistically. Mm. So tomorrow It's about a 20% chance I live stream tomorrow. It really depends because I'm not going live if it's a marginal risk. The only way I go live in a marginal risk if there's actually like stuff happening or it gets upgraded to a slight risk. If not, I'm not going live. The bare minimum for me to go live is a 2 out of 5. That's the bare minimum for me to stream. Damn guys, look at all these storms that I just decided to just weekend. So a lot of these storms are deteriorating, guys. The storm might get an extension, though, to the severe thunderstorm warning. And for Wakanda, I would not be surprised if the storm gets an extension. The storm north of it, I'm not really sure about an extension. They might just cancel that, honestly. Cape's really weak in this area. Cape's like only 500 now. That's why a lot of the storm guys aren't surviving anymore. Majority of these storms are weakening, though. That's the good news. I'm just gonna see if they're gonna issue an extension. If not, we're ending. Guys, if you guys have any questions before I sign off, let me know. Storm's honestly turning more into rain now, if you want me to be honest. No
Attention, a new
rotation.
special weather statement has been issued. Alright, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna end the stream now. Have a wonderful night. Guys, I might stream tomorrow, honestly. Honestly, probably not. Tomorrow's only a 1 out of 5. I'm gonna update it on my web, so you guys are gonna, oh, now 3 people are coming in, so maybe, you know what? I guess I just stay on till this warning expires. Let's take a look. Yeah, still one or two. So they're probably gonna issue an extension to the severe thunderstorm. And they just did. They just issued an extension to the severe thunderstorm, like I was saying. Guys, I got more endurance than I used to be during weather. Cause I remember when I was younger, and like guys, when I was younger in a tornado outbreak, like in a 5 out of 5, I only streamed a half an hour. A 5 out of 5. And now I'm streaming. Now I'm streaming an hour and 22 minutes when there's only 3 severe thunderstorm warnings and a 2 out of 5. It's also, guys, when I have more Attention, a
people,
new
I
severe
kind of have
thunderstorm
more.
warning has been
The
issued.
so I have more. So there's more and more. My bad. I can't even talk. And I'm more motivation, like when I have more people watching. That's also a reason why I've been streaming longer. 66 views this stream, not bad. Alright, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your night, and bye, guys.